Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Julie. If you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for always coming back and engaging with my content. Today I'm in Nairobi National Park and I'm going for a nature walk. I brought myself here. I'm so proud of myself. You guys should give me some hand claps in the comment section below. I brought myself from town, from Juja to town to here by myself. I'm super proud of myself, so hope you guys enjoy this nature walk. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and let's enjoy the nature walk together. Oops. It stays there, so I'm trying to look for it, but I can't find it. It's here, but it's sleeping. Oh no. It's there, but it's sleeping. It has a very big place, a very big space. I'll just proceed because this fella's decided to sleep. They have seats here where you can sit. And so many animals. Guys, there over there I can see an ostrich, but they seem so far. Can you guys see it? There's an ostrich there. Let me see if I move further. I'll see anything. Guys, we've gotten it. It's hiding from us. We need to look for it. Common warthog, ngeri, njiri. There. Okay. So cute. And there is another animal at the extreme end. Oh, and there's another bird. I think it's also an ostrich. Guys, do you see me with the ostrich? Yes.
It was moving so that I was to drink water when it gets out.
just a nature walk. We are in trees, we've seen a crocodile, and hopefully we see other stuff. Is that a monkey? It's here. Guys, there's a monkey. Anyways, I don't know if you guys can see the things. They seem so far.
Nusu. Hatuwezi pea pesa zote. Kwani sisi ni wajeuri? How much? Tunakula pesa mwezi. Alafu hakuna hata mwenye. Asiki tax tunawadeni. Ninapiga hesabu zangu hata zingine.
What? Guys, we're in a room, and guess what? What's this? See, you get seats and you just sit here, watch the animals. There's so many. The other side, I can see a zebra, a buffalo, antelope, and then there's this guy here. I don't know what it is. But yeah, so many things in the heart of Nairobi. Let me zoom in. See a zebra that side. Guys, from Nairobi you take matatu from the bus station to Langata, and then you get off from the gate. The thing is just around the road, the Nairobi National Park. It's just opposite Langata Cemetery, and then you just get in and you get to see animals, and you've not even moved out of town. That the matatu from town to here, it was 50 shillings, and then entrance was 265 shillings for just me, because I'm alone here. And yeah, I get to see animals that in other cases I would have needed to go to a very big national game park out of town, but it's just here in the heart of Nairobi. So if you guys are in Nairobi, check out Nairobi National Park and go for the nature walk. You will be able to see so many animals at a very affordable price. So yeah, let's continue enjoying to see these animals. And yeah, I don't know what this one is. There is an animal right here, but I don't know what it is. And there's so many on the other side. So let's keep moving and enjoy this tour together. I'm so excited. I'm happy that I managed to bring myself all the way here with no one's help besides the direction I was given. So yeah, let's continue moving. The signposts, the signs, you get to read through as you look around. My phone can't do them justice because I can't really zoom in. Do not feed the animals, they require a specific diet. Guys, you've seen that. Don't feed the animals. There are so many planes in this area. I wonder why. Then they keep giving you information about different stuff. Stay on the path, otherwise someone will be eaten. Guys, this is a no smoking environment. And then you get a seat in case you're tired. And then we have a whole big pathway. This is an activity you can do alone, you can do with friends, and you don't have to spend so much. Oh guys, there's an animal. See that? Look here, guy. He looked. Look at that. Just in Nairobi, I get to see animals. Look. Guys, do you see me? And the animal and my new bestie? Look at that, it's moving. And there's so many more the other side. Look. The path is so big. And guys, there are baboons. Can you see one over there? Oh my god. The baboons. You're literally in the wild. Okay. Let's continue. Bye, bestie. See you when I'm coming back. When I'm leaving. See, he's missing me already. Do you think it's a he? Our bestie is still there, enjoying life. And there are other people there. Some are workers, some are also looking at animals. They don't fear women, the baboons. So they can tell I'm a woman.
Yeah, you can. Even the leopard is still. You can see?
Where?
There.
It's up on the tree?
Yeah. Yeah, actually you can see it is clear. There. What is it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's so hard. Why is it up there?
They like
Can't it? It's only one?
they fear of the increasing the population. Actually they put if they are women's
See, they can't join them together.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so hard to see it.
From there, like compare the giraffe, but
Okay.
the giraffe they are measurable.
Guys, those nice guys work here. And they showed me the leopard, but I can't clearly see it because it decided today it wants to be in the trees. Can you see those? Can you see them? We have like 2 zebras. Oh, 3, 4. They seem many. Anyway, we have so many of them. Look at this place. That's going to run. What is here?
Don't know.
I don't even see anything. How much do Kenyans pay to get in? You guys don't pay. You just enter.
Yeah, we were with someone that our dad.
Oh, he works here. For me, I have to pay 265.
265.
Yeah. I don't know how much Kenyans pay though. I'm from Uganda.
Wow.
I think there is nothing here.
I don't see anything. Lion lives here, but it's around.
It lives here. Guys, a lion lives here, but we can't find it. Oh, that's a bummer. Oh guys, I've seen it, but I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. It's so far. There. It's sleeping. Oh no. It's right there. There's a lion. Such a bummer. But anyways, me, I've seen it. Though I've seen it when it's sleeping. There are so many sitting spaces. You just come, sit as you watch the animals. Yeah, let me continue. Maybe I'll come back when I leave this side and see if I'll find it awake. I hope I do. There are so many monkeys everywhere. I haven't gotten up close to one. Do I even want to? Okay. There's some little animals there. And on the other side too. I've seen some fruits on a tree. Maybe that's what the monkeys eat. Also, you don't have to die when you come here. They have toilets. Toilet. Vio. For ladies, for women and men. I hope where I'm going I'm allowed to go. Ooh, guys. There's a big... The rhino. Yay! It moved. We're very lucky. The lion is sleeping.
Yeah.
I haven't seen it.
Just resting, everybody.
Rhino. At least it moved, so that's fun.
Part of it.
Yeah. So fun.
Yes, as well.
It's
She was hiding also.
also there.
Yeah, she was not so far from him.
Really?
Just a little bit more to the left.
Ah, it's so hard to see them.
Yeah.
The leopard as well, it's up in the trees.
Yes, true. That's really hard to see.
But it's so nice being able to see some animals in Nairobi.
Yeah.
Like, you don't have to go so far.
That's true.
You find them just close.
That's, yeah, it's really nice.
In
You
Uganda.
also go in there because there's a giraffe.
Oh,
So that's
wow.
also really, he was able to find her.
Okay.
So help you're lucky too.
I hope so.
Yeah,
In Uganda, it's so hard to see animals in the city.
okay.
You have to go like Queen Elizabeth, very far. Yeah. This is so nice. I hope I get to see the giraffe. Let me go before it sleeps. Thank you. Bye. Hello. I'm okay. How are you?
Yeah, you can go down and walk.
If I scream, you come for me. Thank you. Guys, I've just gone through some hole. Should I go this side? Okay. So this side, I'm told I'll see a giraffe and a water hog, I don't know. But yeah. And I'm here by myself. But I'm told it's really safe, so I'm told it's safe. So we trust and believe there's another seat there in case you're tired. Oh, I hope I see the giraffe. Let me walk, and then when I get there, I'll show you guys. Guys, I'm still walking. I'm still walking. See me? Today is the first time I'm doing something like this, moving in a place full of trees, and I know there is wildlife around me, and I'm by myself. Woohoo. I haven't seen the giraffe yet. I wonder how far it goes. It has to be close because there's no I would run that fast from this side. But I'm told it's safe and I haven't seen anything. As long as you stay on the path, you should be fine. There's so many signage. There's some water and the baboons by the roadside. And this is my view. I'm on some platform. See the path we were taking? It brought me here. And there's some water, but not that much. And now I have to go back and see if I'll find the giraffe that I'm looking for. Oh, be careful of spiders, guys, when you come here. But the walk is all worth it. And it's not that, the place is big, but it's walkable. Yeah. Let me go see if there's anything this side. Still no luck. Oh. Please, giraffe, show yourself, darling. Okay. Guys, there is so much to do in the city of Nairobi with a very limited time. Nairobi is calling, Kenya is calling. But you guys have walked. Ever since I arrived to Kenya, the only thing I'm doing is walking. I walk like on a daily. I'm hitting 10,000 steps daily. 10,000 steps on a daily. Can you imagine? I feel like I've failed to get the giraffe, but then how am I supposed to get it in all these trees? Also, did you spot my outfit? I have no one to tape me, so just know I look cute. But anyways, I don't see any. I've not seen it. So maybe you guys will have better luck in spotting the giraffe, and share with me on Instagram at Tina Jules. For me, I've failed. Yeah. And I'm back to where I started. See this thing? I'm supposed to pass under it, and there's like a sitting area here. And then there's that. So I failed to find the giraffe. Such a bummer. Anyways, let's continue, see if we can spot some other animals. Yeah. The rhino, kifaru. Okay. And kifaru is over there. See him? Minding his business and eating. That's the rhino. Let's proceed. There's so many animals that you can spot one by one. See? This one is close. And the sibling is over there. Or a wife and a husband. Same language with the Sebei?
Yeah, actually, we are the same tribe.
Really? I think Kenyans and Ugandans share some tribes.
They extended.
Hmm.
It's an extension is like the Samia.
Okay. Samia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Our, we had a vice president called Awori.
Okay. And we also
And then-
have those
In
names.
Uganda,
Hmm.
there was is it Godfrey Awori,
Yeah.
a brother
To him?
to him, and he was giving a lot of, he was giving Museveni a lot of problems.
Really?
So Museveni was telling his brother, talk with your brother.
I walked to the bridge, to the platform, and still nothing.
Which other animal have you seen?
I went to the lion, but it was sleeping. Then the leopard was also up in the trees. I didn't see it.
No, it's up on the tree, but you saw.
I saw the stripes, like the print. Yeah. I could see it there, but not fully. And then I saw the crocodile.
The crocodile.
I think I've seen a rhino and a buffalo. Is it a
The
buffalo?
antelopes.
The antelopes, yes. The zebras, the ostrich. It's supposed to be here?
Huh?
It's supposed to be here.
No. Just after movement.
Movements of those aeroplanes.
We have close.
You have a what?
Wilson Airport.
Oh,
Come wait.
okay,
Wait for me.
okay. Guys, we're waiting for him here. He is going to look for the giraffe in the trees. Oh my god. We need to tip this guy because me has even leaving. Hope he finds it. Let's hope. Guys, me, I've spotted it. Like I can see its legs and prints inside there, but it does not come out well on the camera, so hopefully he's able to bring it here. There's Wilson Airport. There's an airport close by. Guys, we're still waiting. This guy has refused to come out. He's not in the mood to be seen. But patience is a virtue. Planes. There are so many here. Remember that platform we were on and we saw the water, and see, just directly here it's where it was. And me, I missed it because I didn't know exactly where it was. But I look cute today for the animals. Guys, I can see it move, but it has refused to come out. But we wait. I put on this for the sun, but today it's not so hot. It's not so sunny. Still waiting for him.
Your hand. This way.
Where?
Stand still.
You don't do anything to me?
Mm-mm.
Really? You turn it like this?
Hmm?
Yes. Oh my God, so tall. Thank you. Did you record though?
Yeah, I did.
Guys, look at this. Uh-oh.
Touch it. Go and touch it.
I can touch it?
Yeah.
The hand is not in a phone? Yes, like that. Oh my God! It's so tall.
It's very tall.
Wow. For it does not. Bye. This side is called
This is just nature.
Nature Walk. Then where the impalas are is savannah.
Savannah.
Okay.
In fact, even the giraffe was supposed to be in the savannah.
Okay.
The browsers in the savannah.
Hmm.
And even the lions are savannah animals.
Yeah, but they
We
separate
cannot-
them
yeah,
because
because
they will hurt the other ones.
This rhino is still a savannah.
Savannah.
So in Kenya, we have the biggest part of the country is covered by the savannah.
Yeah.
So that's why it is so big here.
Hmm. So the crocodile is in which
the-
ecosystem?
Which one?
The crocodile and the,
The
fish. Yeah.
And the fish?
Yeah.
That's a wetland.
Wetland.
Or aquatic.
Aquatic. Okay. I was able to see this one. We were there with you. So do you think the lion is awake? I should go back?
I don't know. Probably yes. Probably not.
Yeah.
But
And then this side has what and what? I've seen a zebra, a rhino.
that's a baby rhino.
Oh.
It's 1.5 years old.
Oh, it's so big.
Yeah, this other one is 26 going to 27 now.
Really? Wow. So this one has zebra, antelope, rhino.
They're still sleeping.
Still sleeping. Okay.
Yes, so these are the type of, this is what you would see in the savannas.
Yeah.
If you went to the national parks, you see them.
There are so many. I've seen like 3 zebras.
3 baby zebras and 1 adult.
Okay.
The others is
What's that one called? That one.
it's a buffalo.
It's a buffalo. There are 2.
There are 3.
There are 3.
And then this one's this is impala.
This is a impala.
That's a female impala,
Okay.
male impala.
The male is the one that has the horns,
Yeah.
and then the female does not have horns.
Yeah. So if you went to the national park, you'd see a group of zebras next to a group of impalas, rhinos,
Okay.
ostriches, that way.
You have seen ostriches. I think there are 3.
2.
There are 2. Okay.
But in fact, somebody told me the impalas, that's where the name Kampala came from.
Really? Because it sounds the same. Impala, Kampala. Maybe there were so many in Kampala at some point.
There were so many.
And now there is none. They extinct them.
No, they should create a space for them
I know, but
for historical purpose.
yeah. Which other animal haven't I seen? Where is it?
There.
In the trees?
No.
The hyena is... It's... Hyena is dangerous, right?
Still Savannah animals.
Yeah.
Come and feed.
The best time to visit here is evening, so that when they're going to feed, you can be able to see all the animals, right?
Yeah, you can be able to see.
The morning it's not?
In the morning, you see now where the lions are.
Okay.
You cannot be able to.
You can't see them. You like animals, eh? Yeah. I can tell. But you can't work in something you don't like. Unless you're looking for money.
I like animals. Even nature itself.
The nature is good.
It's in my blood because my father used to like
Animals? Okay.
and nature.
My dad too, he used to love nature. He didn't like water,
So
but he liked nature.
my father, the one who pressurized the colonialists to create mountain national park.
Really?
Yeah. You see, he went and he was employed
Okay.
by a colonialist.
Hmm.
Then just stand here and told him that.
Oh. It's safe? Huh? It's safe? What are they called? They're called? Black and white colobus monkeys. They refused.
No. Elephants.
Killing?
Elephants.
Ah.
He used to be licensed hunter. So he came. So they went killed an elephant. When my father saw they're going to stay with my pay, and I'm going to pressurize the government to stop this. Because I want my children to come
and be able to
and
see.
my grandchildren to come and see. And if we kill this way, what are they going to see?
Nothing.
Then he went by foot from Mount near Kitale, Kakamega, which is so far. Go for 3 days.
Are you sure? Wow.
He took the community, they went to the DC's office. They told him that. Then the DC said, go back and then I'll get a report from Nairobi. They made 3 delegations.
Wow.
Then it was created. Then that's how he got his job.
Oh, it has gone. What was that? Guys, the hen was here, but we failed to see it. It ran off. Maybe you guys will have luck. Guys, when it sees you, it runs. Yeah. But it runs so fast. I think it does not like people.
Yeah, yeah.
Yet it hurts people.
No, that's not.
Guys, we finally met these guys. They were so far the first time we entered, but now see, so cute. So guys, don't give up. And the other people that are touring, see. So yeah, guys, this was it for the nature walk at Nairobi National Park. Hope you guys enjoyed and try it out anytime you're in Nairobi. I've experienced it, I've loved it, and I hope you guys get to come here. I paid 265 shillings to get in. I don't know how much the residents pay, but I'm thinking it's a bit cheaper, but I paid 265 shillings. Hope you guys enjoyed the nature walk at Nairobi National Park. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all those good things, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.